Hey everybody, Raddad Cooks here. Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have y'all. Today we're going to be taking some leftovers and turning them into these amazing little golden nuggets of buttery, crispy goodness. That's right, we're taking these old hot dog buns. We're going to turn them into amazing croutons. That's right, because the barbecue's over. Leftover hot dogs are back in the freezer, but what the hey do we do with these buns? Raddad Cooks is going to show you right now. We're going to start off by cutting them into sections. You can make them as big as you want. It's the beauty of making them from scratch, right? I'm going to cut them all up and throw them on a tray with the inside facing up. Then we're going to go ahead and slip them into our oven that we have preheated at 200 degrees. We're going to let them cook in there for about 20 minutes. If yours are a little bit more on the stale side, it might be shorter. While they're in there cooking, we're going to go ahead and put 4 tablespoons of butter with 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Once we get our oils measured out, we're going to put them in the microwave for about 20 seconds or however long it takes to get that butter melted. Now we're going to go with the seasonings. We're going to do a teaspoon and a half of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Give it a little whippity whip to combine. Alright, now that we've completed the 20-minute step in the oven with the croutons, we're going to put a little bit of that seasoning in the mixing bowl, and some of our croutons, and then we're going to go a little bit more of the seasoning. And the reason we're doing this is just so it's a little bit easier to get it incorporated on that bread evenly, so you don't have some that are super duper crusted like that Cheeto at the bottom of the bag and other ones that don't got jack on them. Put the rest on top, and then mix them by hand, that way you don't break them or crush them. Get them coated as evenly as possible. I'll spread them back out on the tray. And then they're gonna go back into the oven. Except this time we're gonna jack the temp up. We're gonna bring it up to 275. And we're gonna let them cook for 25 minutes. At the end of 25 minutes, you're gonna pull out some little golden nuts looking like this. Put them in a container, wrap them with plastic wrap, and they'll actually stay crunchy for about 3 days, believe it or not. Use these in salads or just pour up some ranch and get the dipping. Well, thank you very much, guys, for coming by. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with a friend. Appreciate all of your support, and we will see you next episode. Peace.